In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search keywords in Google Analytics. This process is incredibly useful for understanding how users find your website via Google search, and harnessing this information can powerfully inform your marketing strategies, content creation, and overall digital presence. To begin, let's navigate to the Reports section of Google Analytics. Once you're there, look for the library within Reports. This is where you will perform the first crucial step, publishing the Search Console collection. You might be wondering what this collection is all about. Essentially, the Search Console collection allows you to delve into specific search-related data, which can be incredibly revealing when you're trying to understand the keywords that are driving traffic to your website. By publishing this collection, you give yourself easy access from your sidebar, making it a cinch to get back to these insights whenever you need them. Once you've highlighted the library section of reports, you'll see an option to publish the Search Console collection. Simply click on this, and it should appear in your sidebar promptly. This setup is a fantastic feature that streamlines your workflow, saving you the hassle of having to dig into multiple layers of tabs every time you want to look at keyword data. Now that we have the Search Console collection published, the next step is to head over to Reports, and from here, you'll select Search Console and, subsequently, Queries. This section is a treasure trove of information. It shows you the actual search terms, or queries, that users entered into Google search, which led them to your website. This data is extremely valuable as it gives you direct insight into what your audience is actively searching for. For example, understanding these queries can help you refine your SEO strategy or develop new content that resonates more with what people are looking for. When you are analyzing this data, try to pay attention to patterns or recurring themes in the search terms. This could highlight areas of potential growth or new opportunities that you might not have previously considered. Additionally, you can identify any discrepancies between what users search for and the content they find on your site. Ideally, you want to align your content with user intent as closely as possible. The more relevant your content, the better the user experience, ultimately leading to higher satisfaction and better engagement on your site. And that's how you can seamlessly search for and analyze keywords using Google Analytics. By following these steps, you'll gain a clearer understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to dive in and explore the possibilities with your newfound data. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.